Hello students, today we are going to learn about the formulas and functions in spreadsheet. One of the important attributes of Excel is its ability to perform calculations, either using a formula or a function. In this chapter you will learn the basics of formulas and functions and how they can be used in different scenarios. Formulas are the user-defined instructions to perform calculations, whereas functions are the predefined or inbuilt formulas that come with Excel. Students, let us first start with the formulas in Excel. Formulas are used to perform calculations involving addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication, etc. A formula establishes a relationship between two or more cells. A formula is an expression that can include cell addresses, numbers, arithmetic operators, and parentheses. Using it, you can perform simple as well as complex calculations. Formula must begin with equal to symbol followed by cell references and operators. It may contain a few or all the mentioned elements. References: a cell or a range of cells that you want to include in your calculation. Operators: these are the symbols like plus, minus, multiply, divide, percent, etc. that specify the calculation to be performed. Constants: these are numbers or text values that do not change. And functions: these are predefined formulas in Excel. These are the elements of formulas in Excel. This is the cell address. This is the equal to symbol. These are the mathematical operators. And this is the function. Range. Okay, now let us first learn how to create a basic formula. Basic formula involves only one type of operator in it. Let us use it to calculate the sum of the numbers in B2, B3 till B7 and display the result in B8. Enter the data as shown in the figure. Click on the cell B8 where you want to display the result and type equal to sign. Click on the cell B2. A dash border called mark U will appear around it. Its address will appear in the cell B8 and in the formula bar. This method of clicking on the cell to add its reference to a formula is called pointing. The status bar will display the status of point. Now type the plus symbol. Repeat the above steps till B7 or type equal to B2 plus B3 plus B4 plus B5 plus B6 plus B7 in B8. You will notice the different colored borders appearing around these cells. Press the Enter key. Cell B8 will display the total of all the values from B2 to B7.